Hey guys, welcome to Log Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your LayBuy account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your LayBuy account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address laybuy.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of LayBuy. And at the top right corner of the screen, guys, you can see the sign up and the login button available over here. But guys, if you have not yet created an account on LayBuy, simply click on sign up to go through a procedure to create an account on LayBuy. And with that being said, guys, let's click on login and click on personal login. And over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your email address with which you have signed up for a LayBuy account like this, and then also enter your password, guys. But if you've forgotten your password, you can but if you've forgotten your password, guys, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on there, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve your account's password. And with that being said, after entering your email address and password, simply click on login, and then you'll be logged into your LayBuy account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.